Hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Virtusa and it is a Java Associate Engineer role. And if you look into the location, it is Chennai and this is posted on 17/12/2024. And if you look into the job description, this is not actually much aligned. And so let me tell you in few quick points which I am actually able to get through this job description. They are actually looking for a motivated Java developer fresher to join their team, and you will be learning to work with the Java to develop efficient and scalable software solution. And then what they are looking into the candidate is you should have a good understanding of core Java concepts, and you should also have a basic knowledge of databases and version control system, and it is a big plus for you. You should have a strong communication skill, you should have a willingness to learn, and you should have the ability to work in the team and it is essential. And if we look into the batch or the qualification that is required for this role is you should be graduating in the year of 2025. That means you should be the batch of 2025. And then the degree that is required for this role is you should have done BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA in the streams of information technology, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics engineering, computer science engineering, and etc. And mostly they have mentioned something like the candidate should hold a US, UK or Canada citizenship, passport or permanent residence, and you should be willing to relocate to United Kingdom, United States or Canada after training. And after training you should relocate to United Kingdom, United States or Canada. So please be prepared for this, because if you are actually willing to relocate to another country, you can actually apply for this role. You should have a passport, you should have a permanent residence or citizenship of those countries. So then this is what they are mentioned in their job description. You can actually see here the year of experience required is just 0. So that's what it is all about, this job role. This is a completely a good opportunity if you are actually looking to move from this country and work in another country such as United States, Canada and United Kingdom. And there will be a big scope if you actually work in another country and come back to India, or actually work there and become a resident there. And that's the end of this video. And if you're looking for the link to apply, and we will just provide it in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.